Look where I've ended up. Bloody hell. I meant to be a lot in here, but it's just quite a lot in it. Right, I'm gonna move around and then I'll come back in a second. But there is absolute, well, I think there are big ones in this. This is a lot. Right, so first bike I've noticed I quite like the look of is this, not 0.5 assuming if the quality's bad, the quality's bad. Is this Phase 1000. I do quite like the look at that. See, I'm not anywhere near buying my next bike yet because I can't even do my 4-way license for, what is it, another year and a half? But I do quite like that. I should have thought ahead because I don't actually know what's into next. Actually, I do. So this is obviously the slightly older version of my bike. It's only 6 months older. It's more money with less bits. So I think I got a bit of steel on my one. Admittedly, mine has a chip in the tank and the paintwork, but when you're flying along, no one's going to notice that anyway, in my opinion. But yeah, there is tons here. Let's pick that to one zoom. 390 Adventure there, which is something I nearly ended up getting, but didn't. What else should we go and have a look at? So all Royal Enfields down there, so nothing that really interests me. They have got here 2 Tiger Sport 660s, but I think they're going to be out of my price range most likely. A year and a half time, maybe a bit longer. I don't know, it might drop down. But I don't know if I want an adventure bike next. It'd be great for having a pillion and luggage. But I also don't want something sporty. There was actually down here a Tracer 900 I quite liked. This one, the grey and the white one. I've not so many available in that livery or paint scheme. I do quite like that. What else should we go and have a look at? Big toys around there, nothing I'm gonna be looking at. Right, I will come back to you in a second. Now obviously you've got your street triples and your speed triples. I do really like these, but something, this is an S, this is like the one that I did for a little while. In fact, there's 2 of them. But yeah, something that's putting me off these is the lack of the pillion seat space. And I know some people today probably wouldn't care, but something I actually would look at a bit more. Where is it? There's one there. I prefer this colour. The Tawano 660. No idea if I'd ever be able to get one, but I do really like the look of that. And the pillion seat's a bit better, a bit bigger. And I do really like the red seat. The material is nice. Then again, it might be absolutely horrible to sit on. But I don't know if I could get one of those next. But that's what I'm looking at. And then go around here. Dirt bikes. 7. ATMs, some Suzuki's down there. I'll do it all now 1 second. This road's a bit quieter, so we've got a couple of Triumphs down there, but there's basically the Kawasaki and Ducatis. But something I have also been looking at is one of the older Z1000 SXs, like this. But obviously, no idea. It's all speculation. I mean, I would like a newer one, because I think they look a bit nicer, but they're going to be way out of budget. But to be fair, the big deciding thing of everything at the moment is insurance, but 2 years down the line, unless if I don't have any accidents, then I can still have my no-use claims. But yeah. Right, let's see if we can get that in here. Right, one of those 2. Whether it's the F or the R, I'm looking at both of those. Obviously the F you can get cheaper, you can get them older. But I do like both of these. Although then again I'm getting another Honda. I don't know if I get the white one. The white one was cleaner, but that's probably more eye-catching. Not sure. But then also they have some VRF 800s. But the VTEC, they are quite appealing. Love the katana. Oh yeah, there's that workshop. Yeah, who knows? I thought I'd pop in because I'm in the area for the weekend, so yeah. Oh, hang on, there's one more thing I got to show you. I forgot there was one of these here. The 650, the Neo Cathar. That is also another contender. But yeah, to be fair, I have got some MT-09s, 10s, which I do like the look of, but I think they're all going to be out of budget. And two, on the off chance that any of the MT-07 guys I know are watching this, no, I won't be buying an MT-07 anytime soon, as much as you'd all love me to, because I'm just going to stick with what I've got for now. But yeah, I mean, over there, actually, to be fair, they have got a couple of little 300s, and there's a few I want to talk about, actually. Because here, we've got, what's got Versys 300, the GS310, the 390 Adventure, and then the 250 V-Strom. And all three of these ones were bikes I very much considered at one point. The V-Strom 250, like when I first got into bikes, and then I realised, oh, it's only a 250. But yeah, I've test rode a 390 Adventure actually. I was going to put it on YouTube, but I couldn't really like speak into the GoPro or anything, so it wouldn't just random riding footage. And I sat on one of those and it wasn't very comfortable. Other than that, yeah, never even sat on one of those. I don't know, that's a lie, I have sat on one of these, but I don't remember much about it. But yeah, in fact, that's a 300, and that's the bike I did my A2 on, my A2 test. Nearly looks like getting one of these. Obviously there's an MT-03 that I rode recently, which the video is doing surprisingly well. So cheers for that. Yeah. Small bikes. There's a dog. Hello. Well, that was fun, but time to go to the hotel. I'm not actually filming anything for the channel while I'm out on the bike, to be fair. So this will be the only video from this little trip. We're just visiting a couple of like fancy manor houses because the guy I go riding with likes them. So yeah, just watching.